So now I'm going to start the NetSuite navigation. So I'm going to get out of the presentation here for just 1 second and open up my NetSuite where I'm going to start demoing the orders. 1 second, please. So now I'm in the NetSuite screen. Just give me 1 second while this Zoom bar gets out of my way so I can navigate my tabs. Okay. So for this instance, I am right now in the NetSuite dashboard for a manufacturing demo environment. What I'm going to be doing here is you can see I'm in the administrator role. The first thing I want to do is navigate to my inventory item and allocate the the reorder point, and view what we would need in order to set that up. So items here. And you can see here that I have 3 items that I've created here. I have a parent item called auto transfer case. So this is going to be car related for anyone wondering. And the child items of this transfer case are the oil valve and the transfer case gears. So I'm going to dive into the transfer case gears here as an example. And you can see here that here is my transfer case gears record for the item. We have our primary information, our display name. We can even add an item image here if needed. We can segment it accordingly. Right now we have it at class A. We don't have it tied to a specific location because we're using multi-location inventory here. And we have our department. So keep in mind that it's also very important. This is a multi-entity demo environment. So I have it that this item is tied to the parent company subsidiary, but also includes all children. So all subsidiaries can transact with this item. Okay, so here is some purchasing and inventory information on purchase price, quantity on hand, average. So it's showing what we have on hand currently.